Una good morning, una good morning, una good morning, una welcome, una welcome. I beg make una go look where that Vera dey for house. Make una go look where that Vera dey for house. Make call me Vera this video. The matter when I come for this morning. Na Obaze. I see where we say they talk and I know say Obaze they talk and say he a graduate. I can't look and say no be the graduate. He can't dey fool himself. No be the Benin people they fool. I hear him for inside the video when he do 3 days ago, 4 days ago about Obaze. He say any boy when he see a girlfriend not there for inside Benin, may not see all of the Dogo Igbo land. He can't try to fool our guests or he can't try to do what I don't know. But waiting me I come for this morning. I can't make understand. He talk everything for inside that video say Benin people they not they cooperate. If they see Benin people who want to climb up, they will try to fall them down. Obaze. I could say they remember your Obaze. Benin people who you don't fall down. Benin people where you say me not come ask again. Say now let you one. Now I get Benin. Now me can't remember you this morning. Now short video I can't drop. Short video. I know say you don't carry your conductors plus your passenger. When no one start again, as you take start on, now so you take they come. If you dey come, don't say now you better pass. Don't say now you good pass. Me tell you say anytime when you take come out of Obaze, I go dey follow you for morning, I go dey follow you for evening. Cause I know me myself know say now you be picking way not good. If the rest people don't know about Obaze, me they tell you, me I know say you no be picking way not good. I see all the old video where you do this period. I see all of them. And you say you be picking we want to do move forward about Obaze. I don't tell you say anywhere you pass come out in any broken English where you speak. I go attend you for inside the broken English. As you with that man Apuesto, as you not come by, we not come to tell fool our Benin people. Not be we not the fool, not ourselves not the fool. No, ourselves not the fool because we don't know as soon as be evil people. You know, they destroy the community, now soon as they repair the community of Obaze. I see the video where you do. I go rewatch them again. I come here and say where you talk, say the old guys waiting for Benin now. Say any man where they look for a boyfriend, a girlfriend, not see they dey for a big dance. They dey for a big dance. Obi no say he clap and follow person where they take scatter person asshole. When he explain himself, saying he say he work hard, he they do good for people, as me they work hard. So as if they work hard my own and people they laugh me they go. Sometimes when they go, you can't answer the prayer. Nothing where they not go talk again. But me can tell you about Obaze. The way you can take our guests, our ladies, our guests, all of the Dorisi land, any man when he find it get or when he find it, a man say that they for a big dance. Not be me you can't follow. If all those get this in a joke, you call the fool them because none of them. Hausa, Igbo, now they find they go now. Yoruba, their team, they don't like their team again. That's why you can't fool them well. Anyway, you do well for that part where they give the question. So any picky when he gets sense, go learn from there. Now I come this morning about Obaze. I don't see and say this anti-fact when they go so. I just see the way you take I just see the side where the waka they go. You say you be Benin man. The next thing when I break come out, when I call the talk and say the way Benin people take it, they know they cooperate, Wait till make you say Benin people know they cooperate. Now you see Igbo people where they go they spray money for dance now. You say Igbo people they cooperate where they go they spray money for dance. I remember one of our brothers where they call Tony Kabaka, they spray for dance. I know I should take care of social media. You say money night they spray for dance, money night they spray for dance, money night they spray for dance. You clap and follow her, so take the scatter that person house. You can't come out for video, can't talk, say Benin people know they cooperate. How about Obaze? Wetin me can tell you, I dey make the old people understand. If na tell this video, muna go look whether Vera dey for us. Muna go carry Vera come. Muna go carry Vera come for me. Make come carry this video, make Vera run. Make una share this video, make go Vera. Obato Bazena come through parable for this morning. Now the video when he do 3 days ago, 4 days ago, where that man waiting for Igbo land when he dey display money for a dance. Now I go dey reply and put. One question I go dey throw for every day. And the question I see come ask you, Obato Baze. You say Binima, see Binima when one go up, they go fall and down. I remember 4 months ago, when you clap and clap and clap and clap and when you see our brother when they want climb up. You clap. So they scatter in one property when you get. You know how many people they work for inside that house? Before they come scatter that house, you talk say you don't know. Why you not come talk say, now Binima property be this one way they go up, no good more scatter them, una scatter them. Una see scatter all that house again for this Ogba wo una be so. Now Antifa they come now. Una say una Bini people. If una see Bini people when go up. Now parable na the truth. People don't understand parable na the truth. Who want go up? We clap out for Namona take go governor. Nobody see do now. Now our grandfather property now want to go up. Not put want to go up. Oh water. Egba nuwa water. If you know what is good for you now, but Obazenya wo ya see me woman. So it's a very short video. Later in the evening, I will come and analyze the video that he do. I'll come analyze that for I'm gonna share this video to make go viral. Later in the evening, I'll come and analyze the video. I want you to throw away this video for her. Me no say I go come out for her today. Because 3 video where don't do follow body now. Parable what but Obaze throw for inside there. 3 video where don't do follow body. I'll come plan for her later. That one where they chop granite. Bitter leaf apuesto, bitter leaf with granite. That one with the chopper. That one are the foolish man who no know. Not be so I don't know. That one are the over foolish man apuesto when I don't see. He come and they curse the people. Say he be Bini man. That man don't pass 50 years old. He say if they group the old Bini people, they curse. If they curse him, Papa curse him, Mama. That's apuesto. So now I can't say when I call the drop and small for them. Because anyway I take drop and I may be picking. With the broken English when I speak, if we complete it, not complete to make una manage them for me. Because now they say broken English, now they take the talk their own. Now me call use them for them. Obato Baze, I see call your name again. Because they say any person where they do what you not good for community, you go say if they know they talk to them, you go say they try. You know they try. If you go bring another people dance, say you want to take fool us. Not be where you fool, now yourself you fool. Now me can remember you, one of our brother, that time where you talk for a side, you say if they spray money for dance, you can't pass conductor. As you carry conductor, you carry passenger, you can't take and bring her down, they can't scatter a house. Now you with a apostle, they talk say Benin people know they cooperate. But una dey alive where they scatter one house, they scatter 2, they scatter 3. Una governor, una break on, just state governor. Wanna break on, he scatter first house, he scatter second one, he scatter third one. Una not talk say this one not be Benin man they cooperate. Una not talking. Now they talk say Benin man when I just see Boma way spray. Benin man over fair dance way big past that one. Benin man over fair dance way big past that one. Benin man destiny dance not big past that one. No, so I know how to talk. That's very short one in the evening. The 3 video will do follow body, so I'll come and analyze them for you. So I'm gonna share the video, may go viral.